Beverly, Club Pool, here we go.
Like that one.
Delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Yeah, it's actually that. It's good. You better stop saying it's good. It's not as bad as people say it is, right?
It is that bad.
It's bad, Brent.
So bad.
So that's Austin's take. You didn't even describe it.
Ready? Go for it.
Ugh. It's so bad.
Thank you.
Maybe it's because you just drink alcohol.
Brent's loving it. Brent's loving it.
Loving it. Ready? Melon Frosty. Are you getting more? You are a masochist. You're disgusting.
Ready? Ready? It's been so long. Wait, cheers. 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 Cheers, Matt.
Hello there. Hi, welcome to another magical adventure. It's a rainy day here
Rainy
at Epcot.
adventure.
Yeah, it's a rainy adventure here at Epcot.
Good morning from Animal Kingdom.
We're gonna get something to eat. We don't know what, so it's edible. It's edible. Wow, wow, wow. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Epcot. If you're new here, my name is Matt. I got a bunch of other people with me here today too. A bunch of friends here. Skip friends.
Hi.
So they're all here. We're going to Club Cool today. Gonna check that out. And the new creation shop right across from it. So Beverly is back and better than ever.
Well, you know what's not back? Melon Frosty. That's a
Yeah, the Melon Frosty is gone. We're gonna take shots of soda and see how all the new flavors are. Interactive, we're gonna figure out what he does.
Interactive group recognizes and responds back to 20 spoken phrases.
Wow. Are they all I am Groot? Or
Probably.
Who's first time this Beverly? Libby? Anybody else? First time Beverly?
This is my first time.
Oh, alright, two first timers. Here we go.
Ready? Ready? It's been so long. Wait, cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Matt.
Alright.
It's better than I remember. I know that is better. It's sweeter than I remember it, but it's still not. It kind of has.
Give it a second. Yeah, there it is.
It kind of has a bitter aftertaste. Oh.
Yeah, so it's the bitter aftertaste. You know what it really is though? It's for when you get like heartburn.
Yeah.
That's what they really use Beverly
It
for.
tastes like Alka-Seltzer.
Yeah, that's
Go
exactly.
down the line. Yeah.
Go down the line. What's next? It's from Madagascar. That's
Madagascar.
Bonbon Anglaise. Anglaise? How do you pronounce that? It's very exotic.
Very exotic. You drank all your Beverly, Matt?
Oh yeah, hardcore.
Okay, ready?
All right, here we go. Here's this one.
This one smells like an old key. Alright, that's good. That tastes like bubblegum.
Yeah, very sweet.
It is very sweet.
It also tastes like the marble cans. Sodas. Oh yeah. That's right. I like that. This is creamy tropical fruit taste instead of regular tropical fruit.
Ooh,
I taste.
cute. This is the Country Club from the Dominican Republic.
I am a bartender.
Yeah, it's doing a great job.
Soda time. Cheers. Oh, I like that one.
Ooh, that's good.
This is the apple.
Thank you.
Apple like.
This is joy. Let's see if it brings us joy.
Oh, that's the best.
That's the best one.
Ooh.
I like that.
It's like,
That's juice. That is not carbonated. But
it's not, yeah, it's not carbonated, but
I
yeah.
don't know if I like it now. She said, no, I want bubbles. The second.
I don't think it's my favorite.
It almost has a little bit more like syrupy feel.
My favorite still that I like Madagascar. That one is good.
That one was good. Country Club was good too.
Onto royal watermelon. Or no, watermelon. Royal
Watermelon.
Oh, Sprite. All right.
A royal watermelon, Philippines.
Oh, wow. Do y'all have watermelon? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like watermelon.
This is like,
Thank you.
like medicine that they give you like in the
It
cups,
looks
like
like
the Benadryl medicine.
It does look like medicine. Libby and I know. It's kind of tart. It tastes like a watermelon jelly. That's all.
Nah.
This one has a really good flavor profile.
No, I like it. I don't like it.
Nah. Not a fan.
What's the notes you're getting? Dry, sour, kind of nutty.
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
I want to save this one for last. We should save it for last.
We're gonna skip China.
I feel like my cup is contaminated. Well, and then we'll know which ones are favorites. So then we need a cup. Give me the trash. I'm 4 can trash.
Okay, this one I cannot finish. I'm sorry.
Yeah. New cups all around.
I really almost.
Thanks. Which one is this now? The Sprite from Russia?
Oh, what's different about it? Is that cucumber on there?
Sprite cucumber. Sprite cucumber from Russia.
Have we already had the Chinese one?
No, we're skipping that one for now because apparently it's nasty. We're gonna save it for last. What if it actually tastes delicious? All of the vlogs are just.
It says it has sour plum in it. I doubt that tastes delicious. Ooh, refreshing.
It tastes like it's like spa cucumber water. Right. It is. Raspberry. Ooh,
I think I was too heavy on the original sodas, and now I'm kind of full. Well, we got 2 more. Power through.
I really am filling up on Alright, this is maybe I'll just get raspberries. I did actually. That was a lot. I'm so sorry.
What did I just say, Noah?
It's
You don't have to drink. This one smells good. Just take 1 sip.
This one smells like Jolly Ranchers. Alright, we all good? We all got the raspberry?
I have that.
Viva raspberry.
It tastes like melted Jolly Ranchers. I don't think I could drink a whole cup. My favorite's still that Madagascar one.
I like the Korean.
Alright, are we ready for China? Yeah, we're ready.
No. I mean, yes. Smart sour plum. It doesn't sound good.
That's fair. I get a little bit of raspberry. Just that was like syrup that just. Look at that. I don't like the smell of that. Don't smell it. It's not a good smell.
So we're gonna not take a big shot.
They really said Beverly is your favorite. No. They were like, some people are certain like that smells like. It just smells like Chinese food. Oh my god, I think they just had all of them to try. Another one.
I'm scared.
Should we have a chaser ready to go? I want the delicious one.
Oh, this does not look good at all. I don't want to prejudge, but we're just doing this one for the content.
Which one do you want as your chaser? Korea? I go from this to this. Go from this to this. Does everybody have a chaser ready? Yeah.
Give me that country club. Yeah. I'll take.
Give me a double of
Just put it. Yeah, put it there. That's fine. I'll be running there in a minute. I'm gonna let you all drink it first, then I'm gonna drink mine.
Oh, you're drinking it. It tastes like barbecue sauce.
Really?
Me too. Here. I love his little face.
Yeah, you're right. It tastes
It tastes like barbecue
it
sauce.
tastes like somebody made barbecue sauce to a soda.
Get your chaser.
Yeah, you know, it's fine. It's not as bad as I expected, but
Yeah.
I just like
It's a weird taste to have in a. I didn't. Yes. No.
not that much.
Nice.
I
Final
wasn't as
thoughts.
bad as like people were saying it was.
Everybody's favorite. Everybody's favorite. Oh yeah.
Madagascar.
Country Club Madagascar. The Philippines.
This one's good too.
And this one's
That one's
And
good.
that one was good.
I like Korea too.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
I liked most of them.
I did too.
Yeah, me too.
Here you go, Matt.
thank you.
We did a nice little dolly shot for
You
you.
did a great job. Yeah, perfect.
I'm not drinking that. My tummy's very full of.
No, literally, this is lovely. I'm not happy with me right now.
All right, we're about to ride the best ride at Epcot,
Correct.
Figment, right? Thank you. Just saying. Me, Skipper Amy, Skipper Mary, we're gonna ride it. Nobody else wanted to. I know, this is the best. I mean, who doesn't love Figment?
It felt like it's like a walk-on.
It's also a walk-on, right?
Permanezca sentado y
We got our
mantenga
own
las
car.
manos. The good times roll. Woo! You win one cent.
Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows.
One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind defines what enters through your nose. That's how you tell a skunk is not a rose.
Imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Imagination, imagination.
A dream can be a dream come true.
With just a spark.
From me and you.
Wonderful spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation. Right at the start of everything that's new. Wonderful spark lights up for you.
Very nice.
I love Rose's little head.
Hello. Oh no.
Did it break?
Go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
Why did you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite.
Yellow water, dude.
In the big blue world, things I've never seen before.
Totally, dude.
So many creatures.
Too many creatures.
Swimming around the sea.
Hi, I'm Dory.
The big blue world.
And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between